Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. If you're new here, thanks for coming around, and if you're old here, thanks for sticking around. So, as always, I got my Boxycharm and I want to share. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. This month, I already know what I'm getting. I already peeked in the box. I cheated. This month's theme is makeup on point, and this is what the card looks like. Seems to be like some kind of dance theme. Alrighty. So the first thing in my box is right on top, and it's the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Napa Valley, and this is what that looks like. It's a nice violet color, purple. Let me see, and this retails for $19.90. This is like a metallic too. Very pretty. I like the packaging. Nice. The next thing in my box is this makeup eraser, the original mini makeup eraser. Removes your makeup with just water. And this is what that looks like. Let me open it up and see what. I seen this on I think it was in Sephora's website, but it was like in one of those holiday gift boxes. Alright, so this is what that looks like. Add water and remove your makeup. Right? Yes. Wash eraser prior to first use. Wet portion of makeup eraser with warm water. Gently rub off makeup in a circular motion. Then flip eraser on the long nap side to exfoliate. So that would be this side. So this side is to wipe off your makeup, and this side is to exfoliate the makeup eraser. Cool. The next thing in my box is this Butter London. Oh, and that retails for, the makeup eraser retails for $12. And the next thing in my box is this Butter London nail polish. I'm going to put it up here so that the reflection of the screen doesn't. So it's a nice wine color. There you go. And this retails for $15. Yes, this is a full-size product and it retails for $15. I think we got a Butter London nail polish in the color Mummy Yummy or Yummy Mummy, something like that. In one of our prior boxes, it was like a tan, a nice nude tan color. So yeah, this is a good addition. This is a nice full color. The next thing in my box is this IBY Beauty. It says this is the color Blush. This is a lip liner. Okay, just checking because it could be an eyeliner. And that retails for $14. This retails for $14. And this is the color Blush. So, I mean, I thought I was going to get a lot of people, I was watching their videos, a lot of people got their they got Makeup Geek eyeliners. I was kind of looking forward to one of those. Boxycharm. Hashtag feeling left out. And the last thing in my box, which is the most exciting thing of all, is this Pure Cosmetics palette. Eyeshadow palette, not to be confused with Pure Cosmetics, P-U-R. This is P-U-R-E. And this is what that looks like. It's a full eyeshadow palette. And it has, I think it's 12 colors. Let me see. Yeah, 12 eyeshadows. And this is what that looks like. It's a nice tin can. And this is what that looks like. Okay, there you go. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, so I'll go from left to right so that you guys can see it much better. If you guys are familiar with the Naked palette, that's exactly what this resembles. The Naked 3. I don't have the Naked 3. I have the Naked palette, the Naked original, and this is what that looks like, just so you guys can have a comparison in palette, not color-wise, because they're not the same colors. This is the original Naked, not the Naked 3, but this palette sort of resembles the Naked Edition palettes, the Naked 3 to be exact. And these are sort of like rosy nudes, rosy colors. Let me swatch some of these for you guys and see if they are, see the pigmentation on these. I'm gonna swatch Mojave, I think that is right there. That's this color right here. Let's see what that. They feel very soft, but as you can see, I know you can see right there that as I did that swatch or that kick up, okay, pigmentation, pretty good. Let me swatch Sahara. This color right here is called Sahara. Also feels very soft. That's what that looks like, Sahara. I mean, pigmentation wise, these are pretty good. This palette retails for $50. This palette retails for $50. $50. Let me swatch one more before I keep yapping away. I'm gonna swatch Mirage. That's this last one right here. Okay, so pigment wise, they seem to be pretty good. To be honest, this is the first time I hear of this brand, Pure, so I'm not sure what to expect of it, but pigmentation wise, this is good. And I've been pretty impressed with Boxycharm this year because we've gotten a lot, well, I've gotten none, again, hashtag feeling left out, Boxycharm. I've gotten none of the Makeup Geek products this year that they had, and a lot of the months have had Makeup Geek product, whether it was a blush or a eyeshadow, or like now we got the eyeliner. And so this year has been They have been in collab with Makeup Geek a lot, and they've been giving, I think this is the third palette we got this year, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we got about 3 full-size palettes, so that's pretty impressive for a $21 box. These items basically pay for the box, so you do get your money's worth in the end. But hint, hint, for next year, Boxycharm, I hope to be included in some of these collabs. I always seem to get left out when it comes to some of these items, like maracuja oil that I wanted last month and didn't get. Hashtag ranting. So yeah, those were the 5 things that I got in my Boxycharm this month. Pretty good. Very impressed with Boxycharm this year. So hopefully next year is gonna be even better than this year. Yeah, that's it. So thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.